Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about lima beans, and I've got some quick tips and ideas for you on ways to use lima beans. How about trying a succotash type of burrito or taco filling? You could combine cooked lima beans with corn, chopped tomatoes and scallions, then top that with some diced avocado, cilantro, and maybe a little hot pepper if you want. Enjoy! Sounds good to me. How about blending some cooked lima beans with sweet potatoes together and serve that with your favorite grain and then a vegetable on the side? That will be an interesting twist to a meal. Try adding some lima beans to your favorite vegetable soup. Lima beans really are versatile. You can use them in a number of ways. You can use them as a main dish. You can use them as a side dish. You can add them to soups and stews, curries. You can even add cooked lima beans to salads. Get creative and add some to your meals whenever you can. How about roasting lima beans? You can dry some cooked lima beans on a cloth or a paper towel just to get the extra moisture off of them. Then transfer them to a bowl and coat them with a little bit of olive oil. Sprinkle them with some salt and maybe some lime juice, some cayenne pepper or some paprika. Spread them out on a baking sheet and roast them at 425 until they're just slightly brown. You want to watch them carefully because they can burn easily, and then you can enjoy them hot or at room temperature. Store the extras in the refrigerator for later and you'll have an interesting snack. To make lima beans a little bit more flavorful, a little interest to them, you can cook some lima beans in stock or broth of your choice. Add a little onion, garlic, thyme, salt, and pepper, and you are done and good to go, and you've got some flavorful lima beans there. Well, I do hope these suggestions help you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.